Hi guys, welcome back to Tech with Nuanga. It's day 4 of my PHP web project. In this video, I'm gonna explain you how to create theme palette for my web project with SCSS. You can see my PHP website in here. I have removed all of my previous CSS works. Now I'm going to redecorate it with SCSS. The reason is why I use SCSS. SCSS have a feature to define default variables. We can assign our colors, default fonts using it. Before use the SCSS, you need to install Node.js and npm services to your computer. I have already created and uploaded the video. You can see it my this card. I have already created my theme palette because it goes too much time to decide what are the color themes and fonts I need, and I'm going to explain step by step what I have done in here. First, you need to create this folder structure. I have created static folder inside my public folder, and I have created assessed folder, and there are two folders, CSS and SCSS. First we need to create these SCSS files, and we have to run a command and build the CSS file. The CSS file automatically generate after it. Inside the SCSS folder there are two another folder, abstract and base. Inside the abstract folder I have created this variables.scss file. Inside this file we should assign our default colors and fonts and any other things. I have assigned 3 primary, secondary and tertiary font styles. I have created in here different color types. After creating this variables.css file, we need to create this base.css file. In this file we can create our default things, our default classes. Like this, we can give primary font family in here, and we can create our body style here and navbar style here. I have already created footer and give some font style to our header tags, and I have create simple style for our anchor tags. After creating these files, we should create this main.css file. After creating these folders and files, we should run this command, and this command will make our main.css file. If it created properly, it automatically generated this main.css file. You can see it like this. After generating main.css file, we should do some changes in our footer.php file. First, I have add our Bootstrap CDN link here, and after that we have to add our font links like this. Below all of these links we should add our main.css link here. After adding these links, we can reload our project. Yes, now you can see how it is decorated my PHP website. You can see the header colors, header font styles and anchor tag hovers, footer area, background and fonts and font colors. Now you can see how they decorated with CSS. Subscribe my YouTube channel, follow my TikTok, Instagram and Facebook page, and don't forget to like, share and comment your ideas. And let's see you guys in my next videos. Bye.